can tell me, oh, Jackie, I just want to use only number 2 GENIBOT.
Right.
Yes, probably, right?
Picking a student.
Correct. So in this case, just touch
Okay.
number 2 card. That means only these 2 second GENIBOT can move. How?
Coding start, move forward, turn right, U-turn, coding up.
And only number 2 moving.
Yes.
Because 2 means teacher give an order to the second students.
Right.
You only move.
Right.
If you want to move to the 1, and same thing, just only use number 1. Do right here. Okay. And when you touch 1,
1.
now only first GENIBOT can move, right?
Coding start, move forward, turn right, U-turn, coding up.
And then
Cool.
Yes. So star network means synchronize all together, or we can give, or we can select what you want, the robot. Okay, you understand?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, do you have any questions about?
No, it's just really fun to see all the robots moving together in synchronicity.
Yes, right. So this one is world first. We applied a star network to give the data interactive between teacher and students. So now we make a LIMS platform. LIMS stands for Learning Interactive Management System. So no matter where the students located in the world, even you can teach American students who lives in Philadelphia.
Yeah.
You can teach coding them in Korea.
All right.
And you can receive the data from the students' robot. You can analyze and evaluate, and then you can provide the customized education for the students.
All right.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So you can expect our another platform. Okay.
Okay. GENIBOT is really an essential tool and toy for the digital age. Students and children can learn STEAM skills, digital coding, and AI, and also it's really fun. Thanks for being here with me today, Jackie.
Thank you, Aaron.